We are in our Pinecrest project and I can't wait to show you guys around. Come on in. I have the guys working here, so it's gonna be really loud. So we are installing these really cool fluted wood panels. These are a little bit more traditional than the wood panels that I'm used to doing and that you guys have seen in the past. So I really am excited to work with this new idea. You guys are here installing, so we're like in their way. It's gonna be all this is gonna be wood panel. We have the bookshelf with LED lighting. We did all new wood floors. Over here, we're gonna have a wood beam that goes across the space. In this TV room, we did the ton and groove on the ceiling. It's not 100% done yet. It needs to be finished, so it's gonna be in the same color as